commission stage of our 13.2 kilowatt solar system and Tesla Powerwall. We've got everything wired in regards to the string panels underneath here, ready for testing. We've got our DC protection for our parallel circuits. We've got our AC coming in from the Tesla Powerwall. So this will basically help in backup mode and power up the battery and yeah, help the client save some money basically. We'll put that back on for now. Over here, we've got a gateway. This is the brains of the Tesla, all wired in, ready for testing. We've got our grid supply, our backup supply, our Fronius inverter, our solar, and also our battery, all protected here in a little subboard they call a gateway, made by Tesla. Pretty awesome stuff. Very easy to work on, user-friendly, and just tidy and aesthetics and all that to blend in to look like a mini Tesla Powerwall, which we love. On the right, we've obviously got the mighty Powerwall 2, all wired in the rear for concealing all our cables. Obviously we can turn that off from here for safety, so no switches, things like that. Up out the way so the customer doesn't bump into it. Very proud of this one actually. Just about ready for testing and yeah, ready to go for the customer.